Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating a job post on Facebook step by step. To begin, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu and click on it. From the menu, find and select the Create option. Next, choose Job to start crafting your job post. At this point, you'll need to decide which page you want the job to be published on. For this demonstration, I'll use one of my pages as an example. Start by entering the job title in the designated section. For instance, I'll write Assistant Manager as the title. Then specify the job's location. For this tutorial, I'll use a random location as an example. After that, choose the job type. Options include full-time, part-time, or internship. I'll select full-time for this example. In the job description section, you'll need to provide a detailed description of the role. Here, I'll add a sample description to illustrate. Afterward, input the salary range for the position by specifying both the minimum and maximum amounts. Additionally, choose the salary type such as per hour, per day, or any other applicable frequency. If you want to streamline the application process, you can include screening questions to filter applicants effectively. There's also an option to specify if you'd like to receive applications via email and whether applicants are required to provide their past employment history or a resume. Furthermore, you can add an advertisement to make your job post more visible and appealing. Once all the necessary details are filled in, click Next. At this point, Facebook will offer you the option to boost your job post to reach a broader audience. When you're satisfied with everything, click Post to publish the job on your chosen page. Finally, I'll show you how the job post will appear to potential applicants. This is what they'll see, and they can apply directly by clicking the Apply button. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly create and publish a job post on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.